Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan. Guys, we're talking about first generation Volkswagen Tiguan from year 2008 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those and if you want to see how to remove or replace radio, guys, CD player, navigation, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. If you don't do it the right way, you can damage your dash vents, center console, center dash trim right here. It can be broken. You can spend hundreds of dollars in repair, so make sure you send you then and you'll see what common mistakes people make, including us sometimes. All that will be covered absolutely free today. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly taking things apart. You can see transmission, engines. We're constantly rebuilding things, fixing things. We make videos how to do that. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your Volkswagen or any car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So let's explain now what we need to do here. That trim, guys, will need to come out. Okay, that trim will need to come out. You have the air vents right here. Now those air vents need to come with the trim. You have to be careful to make sure you don't separate them. Watch how those are broken right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and explain what we need to do. First, we need to hold the camera right here if we can do that. Okay, a little bit down. Perfect, just like that. So I want to come right here. Okay, let me get the smaller, let me see if I have one smaller prying tool. We will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. So we'll start right here now. Then right here, guys, you need to get the air vent to come with it together. Okay, make sure that it doesn't separate from the trim, because if it does, okay, it will damage the air vent. So we need to come, okay, and try to come underneath the air vent. We'll come towards this side now, here, again. Okay, let me see if it's going to come out now. Okay, it is tight, guys, it is tight, but it's coming out. I can feel the clips popping here and there. Okay, on this side it started coming out tremendously. Okay, let me grab the other prying tool to see where I left that thing now. Okay, perfect. And see if I can pull a little bit with it right there. Okay, we have to be extremely careful because those things, okay, are fragile. Believe me, guys, very, very fragile plastic, especially if it's been exposed to sun. Okay, it will be really fragile, heat, because it will fry the plastic, guys. So you want to make sure that it comes out. Okay, just slowly taking our time here, not to mess it up. Okay, oh, almost coming out. Let me see, that vent is being caught a little bit there. I want to see, okay, if that vent will come out separately. Let me see, so you know, guys, what to expect, so you do not break, okay, your Volkswagen, right? Really tight place, guys. Let's see, we're going to video so you know what to expect. And it looks like this vent is ridiculously stuck here for some reason. No, that's why it's a good idea to always watch until the end. Right here there is two hidden screws, guys. Okay, so we have two panels here that we need to remove. Okay, this is the first one, okay, right there. So go ahead, pull that one out. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now the one for the airbag, the activation as well. Careful not to crack the display. Okay, let me see if I can get a little tool in here, okay, to remove that one too, guys. Okay, so we're working on it now. Ah, come on, it's really tight. That's never been removed, guys. The car has only, when we got it, 30,000 miles, so we know for sure that almost nothing has been removed. So let me see if I can go underneath it. Okay, almost. That is super tight. The other one is easier, this one is tighter. So be prepared for that, okay? Okay, it came out. The clips are on the top. So right here we have two clips, guys. You can see one. We have two clips here. We have two clips on the bottom. You can see where they are. We need to disconnect that wire now, and that's pretty easy. I'm going to show you. Okay, right here we have one notch on the back side. Let me pass the camera quick here. Okay, so we need to press right here, and we need to press down. Perfect. Now we need Torx 20 here. Start looking big. They're very small. Or even smaller than this one. Let me see which one you got. It's next step smaller. So we need Torx 15, okay? And we need to remove these two bolts that we have right here. So we got it, guys, now. Okay, Torx 15 will work. It could be even 17 or 15. Careful not to drop the screws inside. You have to take your time. Don't rush it. Okay, perfect, just like that. We have one on this side. Okay, great. Now once you do that, you'll be able to pull that trim piece. Our purpose today will be to actually fix the vents that are broken on the inside. People installing phone mounts probably broke them. Okay, let me try to get this one because probably we'll drop it inside. Perfect. Now right here you can see it got loose. On this side came out. This one it was fallen. It was apart here. So what we'll need to do, I'll grab that vent and pull it out just like this one. We'll need to disconnect here. Okay, the hazard light switch. Okay, just pull there like that and pull it out. Okay, you can see, and that trim piece, okay, came out like that. So you can see, guys, the trim piece came out like that. If you need to remove yours, that's how we do it. So first step will be to remove, okay, these two screws right here, and then you have the metal clips here. Okay, you have two metal clips on the other side over there, and you have small clips, okay, right here on the dash. 1, 2, 3. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. So that's pretty easy, guys. You can see it came out just like that. Now the radio, guys, we have 4 screws that we need to remove with that Torx 15 too. Let's go ahead, okay, and do that now, step by step, guys, just one by one. You can see it's coming out. Second one now. We're getting there, guys. Okay, just 2 more to go. The trickiest thing is to remove the dash trim right here. So it's almost out. Okay, let's see now. It's about to come out. Perfect, last one. Let's go ahead, grab it. You have a couple glides, kind of like, so you need to pull it out. It may be stuck a little bit. Okay, here it comes out. Okay, and at that point, all we have to do, okay, be careful here, guys. Okay, for disconnecting your antenna. Okay, that's where things can easily break. That one slides up. Okay, you press in after that, you disconnect it, otherwise you can easily break it. This one now, okay, you have that thing here that you need to press and now pull up. Okay, let me, okay, you this one, you push towards, okay, you grab it, you squish it in and you pull up. And the wires come out, radio is out. That's how you guys remove the radio, piece of cake. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.